विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. सतत प्रशिक्षण घेवप हें एखाद्या फुटबॉलराचो नित्याचो भाग. प्रशिक्षण तरेतरेन घेवं येता, पूण जातूंतल्यान पेजाद खेळगडो तयार जाता तें खरें प्रशिक्षण. ऑस्ट्रेलियन प्रशिक्षक नॉर्मन बोर्डमन म्हणटा ते प्रमाण फुटबॉला सयत प्रशिक्षण हेंच सगळ्यांत बरें.
I will show the coaches here methods that we use in Australia, and I have tested and tried with my semi-professional team back in Australia. Methods where we use the ball exclusively at training, and we can replicate what happens in a match. There is no reason to run around the field without the ball. My philosophy is you don't learn anything running around the field without the ball. Wherever you've got the ball, you're learning. You're learning to touch it. You're learning to dribble it in the right manner. You're learning to pass it to your friend in small-sided games. So I'm hoping to show and encourage the coaches to play games at training that replicate the actual match. And I fully believe that even with a senior team, you can do 90% of your work without the ball. With the ball. Yeah, with the ball.
प्रशिक्षणाच्या नव्या पद्धतीकडेन जुळोवन घेतले जाल्यार कोचाक ती तांक आनी स्वता भितर बदल घडोवपाची इत्सा आसपाक जाय. मात ही दिसता तितली सोपी गजाल न्ही. पूण भारतीय फुटबॉलाचें सध्या स्थित्यांतर सुरू आशिल्ल्यान फुटबॉल सुदारपाच्या दिकेन हो बदल करपाची सध्या गरज आसा.
The biggest thing is change, and throughout the world no one likes change. Change is very difficult because it's they see it as a barrier to their progression or whatever it may be, or they've earned the stripes and they don't want them stripes taken away. It's not a matter of taking stripes away, it's adding to them stripes. It's making them more attractive and moving forward into the future. And the future is making it all about getting people involved, making them better.
प्रशिक्षणाच्यो नव्यो पद्धती आपणावच्यो म्हूण गोंयच्या प्रशिक्षकांच्या मनाची तयारी करून घेवपाचें पयलें काम बोर्डमनाक करचें पडटलें. पणजेच्यान आमचो खेळां खबराकार निखिल परेरा आनी चलचित्र खबराकार ओंकार फळारी.
आनी इतल्यान हें खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.